Welcome to the AutoCAD tutorials. Today I'll explain how to draw the 2D sketch in the AutoCAD. Okay. First select any one 2D sketch. Selected this 2D sketch for practice. First go through the 2D sketch. What are the dimensions given and what are the commands can be used to draw the 2D sketch. You can use the circle command, R command you can use. Okay, trim command you can use. Then fillet command also you can use it. Okay. First draw the circle of diameter 46. Draw a horizontal vertical line and horizontal line. Okay. Circle intersection point. Radius is 23. Enter. Circle intersection point. Radius value is 31. Okay. Circle intersection point. Radius value is 40. Okay. Now the smaller circle diameter is 10. Circle intersection point 5. Okay. We have to array the total number of circle is 6 mm. Okay. Circle select array command. Type polar. Axis of rotation center point. Number type items. Okay. So default is 6, but you can either you can increase or you can decrease. Okay. So 6 is enough. Enter. Now the center distance is 60. From the center of the circle to the center of this smaller circle is distance is 60. So offset is 60. Here also offset. Extend this line. Here also extend this line. So circle intersection point. Circle intersection point. Radius is 11. Diameter of the circle is 22. Okay. Here also circle intersection point 11. Now this distance between this distance is given as 36. Okay. So intersection point radius 18. So the diameter is 36. Now we have to fillet these two circles. Type fillet radius 8. Okay. So fillet command. Fillet. Select the bigger circle and smaller circle. Now trim the unwanted lines and circle. Okay. You are going to do the same thing in the bottom side. Therefore, you can mirror this object. Select the bigger circle and arc. Select the intersection point. Okay, enter. Okay. Here the horizontal distance is given as 46. So offset 46. Select vertical line, offset 46. Circle intersection point. Smaller circle diameter is 16. Bigger circle diameter is 30. So the radius 8. Okay. Circle intersection point radius 15. Okay. Now trim both the circles. The circle trim both the circles. Okay. Now erase. Now we have to use the fillet radius. Okay, radius this value is 8. So fillet radius and okay, select this smaller circle, select this bigger circle, enter. Here select the smaller circle, bigger circle, enter. Okay. Now you have to join the two smaller circles by means of a arc. Arc diameter is given as 200. Therefore, go for arc command. Start point, end point, radius. Type nearest value. Okay. Here type nearest value. Okay. So radius value is 100. Now trim this. Using trim command, trim the unwanted lines and circles. Okay. Now erase this bigger circle. So we want continuous circle. Okay. So again circle intersection point. Type radius 40. Enter. Okay. Now we get a continuous circle. Here also erase this circle intersection point 23. Okay, circle intersection point 31. Okay, now you want to convert into a pitch circle. Okay, erase this horizontal line. You can extend this line. Now erase this vertical line as well as this horizontal line. Here also erase this horizontal line. Extend this vertical line. Undo. Okay. Now extend this vertical line. Okay. Now select this. This one is picture center. Okay. Therefore, go for bilayer. Select the circle. Go for bilayer. Already I have loaded the center two options. Select center point. Okay. Now you have to give the dimensions. Go for dimension linear. Select this center point of the circle and select this horizontal line. Dimension linear. Select this vertical distance. Okay. Erase this dimension. So, dim vertical. You can use vertical command. Dim vertical. Select cell off and select this horizontal line nearest. Okay. Distance is 60. And here also you can dim vertical. Select this horizontal line and select this center point of the circle. Distance is 60. And dimension horizontal. Select this center point of the circle. Here also select the center point of the circle. Horizontal distance is 46. Okay. Move this dimension slightly below the object. Okay. Now go for dimensions, diameter. Select the smaller circle. Okay. Go for dimension radius. Dimension radius. Select this R18. Okay. Again go for dimension diameter, select this biggest circle, diameter is 80, dimension diameter, select this pitch circle diameter, diameter is 62, here dimension diameter, select this smaller circle, diameter is 46, okay. Here also dimension diameter, select this circle, diameter is 16, okay. Select this dimension diameter, select this diameter is 30, okay. So you given dimensions for the object, okay. Here also you have to give dimension radius, select this arc radius is 100, okay. Now convert this horizontal and vertical and horizontal lines, go for center, okay. So this is how you have to give the dimension for the 2D sketch, okay. And dimension radius value, select this radius value, R8. Here also dimension radius, select this. So here also dimension diameter, select the smaller circle, dia 10, okay. So again we have finished 2D sketch, and also we have given the dimension for the 2D sketch, okay. Kindly subscribe, share and press the bell icon, and we'll get the regular updates in the AutoCAD drawings.